Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to fix Audi A4 door lock. Begin by disconnecting the battery, remove the door trim, and locate the latch and actuator assembly. Inspect rods, connectors, and plastic clips for damage or misalignment, then lubricate moving parts. Test the actuator electrically and replace any broken rods or failed actuators. Reassemble the door carefully, reconnect the battery, and verify smooth locking and unlocking operation. I will outline the essential tools and safety steps before you start. Wear gloves and safety glasses and keep a small tray for screws. Use a trim removal set, a Torx and Phillips driver set, a multimeter, and pliers to manipulate rods. Label connectors to avoid mistakes and take photos during disassembly. Work methodically to avoid breaking plastic clips and to ensure reliable reassembly and door function. Plan 60 to 90 minutes for a typical repair. Follow a stepwise diagnosis to pinpoint the issue. Test central locking and key fob function before removing panels. Manually operate the lock rod to check for binding or disconnection. Probe the actuator connector with a multimeter while operating the switch to confirm power pulses and resistance. If the actuator shows no response or abnormal resistance, prepare to replace it and retain old parts for comparison and documentation to ensure proper fit and operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.